are all fit and good to go before Monday?
Yeah, improving every day. Hopefully that's going to be completely recovered for next Monday. That's still a little bit, but I don't have fever, and I think I need a few more days maybe, but hopefully that's going to be fine.
Cold weather doesn't help in Austin?
No, the weather doesn't help a lot these days. Yeah, it's unbelievable. First time in my life with this weather in Melbourne here. So just nothing to do. Wait to practice in the indoor course, and that's fine.
Sort of on the brink of history a little bit, but no male's had all 4 Grand Slams since 1969. Have you thought about what sort of achievement that would be?
I go day by day. No, I am focused on just the practice now. Try to practice well and try to arrive on Monday with the right feelings, being competitive. And that's what they're gonna try. After that, every match is really difficult. Every moment gonna be tough, and I have to be ready to play well, to play my best, and to be strong mentally and physically to try to keep winning the first matches and try to be in the second week, and there I have to play my best tennis. Over like this, I'm gonna have my chance.
Russell, will you help out with the rallying for relief with the flag victims in Queensland with Roger and the other players on Sunday?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I'm so sorry about what's happening. Queensland Brisbane, that's places are unbelievable. No, I start to see that from Doha, and it's really unbelievable. And just can say all my support for the victims, for the families, and for all the people with the problem with the house, with everything. So all my support, and for sure I'm always ready to do things to help these causes.
How well prepared do you think you are given the
We will see. You never know. You never know before that, and we will see what's going on. The important thing is be prepared next Monday or next Tuesday, and we will see. It's important improve every day a little bit. I remember a lot of times I didn't start the tournament playing my best, and I finished the tournament playing very, very good. No, and sometimes you start very well, and finally you don't play that well. So it's very difficult to say if I am ready or not ready. The only thing that I can say is I did a good work in the off-season. I think I did all what I can do it to be ready here. So I'll be ready here, and that's the only thing that I can say is the things gonna work well. I have to hope that, and keep playing every day with a positive attitude, positive motivation, everything to play well, and we will see what's happening.
What about not being able to practice outside?
It's a little bit different, no? For sure, that's make a little bit different the practice and different the feeling, but you know the roll lever. I practiced a few times the roll lever indoor, and sometimes it happened in the past, and I played here a lot of matches indoor because for the heat a few times, rain another time, so it's nothing new, and the only thing that we can hope is weather improves next week.
Last year, you had an injury and does that add to your excitement or motivation this time?
No, my motivation is the Australian Open. That's my motivation. It's nothing bigger than this, and my motivation is this tournament. Not because last year I had an injury, not because I had the chance to win the 4th Grand Slam in a row. My motivation is the Australian Open because it's nothing more important than the rest of the things.
Do you feel the pressure though, having won those 3 in a row and everyone watching you see
But for me, everybody talks, asking me this question. For me, the pressure is the same like every tournament, and the pressure is my pressure. That I want to play well. I want to do the right things, and we will see what's going on. No, but not extra pressure.